iPhone users, welcome to Eassiy Official. Stuck with the error connecting to Apple ID server on your Apple device? You're not alone, and the solution is simpler than you think. In this video, we'll reveal quick and effective fixes to get you back on track effortlessly. Don't let frustration win. Take control now and enjoy seamless connectivity again. Why is Apple ID not connecting to the server? Your device might struggle to connect to the Apple ID server for several reasons. It could be an Apple server outage, a weak network signal, or even a VPN interfering with your connection. Sometimes software glitches or outdated credentials can stand in the way. Whatever the cause, understanding these factors brings you one step closer to a seamless Apple experience. 5 ways to fix error connecting to Apple ID server. Method 1. Check Apple server status. To connect smoothly with your Apple ID, first check Apple's server status by visiting the Apple System status page and locating Apple ID. A green icon indicates everything is working. If not, there may be downtime. If servers are fine, proceed to the next solution to regain access. Method 2. Reset your network settings. To effortlessly restore smooth connectivity on your iPhone or iPad, head over to Settings, General. Reset or transfer or reset iPhone for newer iOS versions. Tap Reset Network Settings, and when prompted, enter your device passcode and confirm. This action will clear all your saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN settings, and cellular configurations, so get ready to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords. Method 3. Turn off VPN. If you're using a VPN app or service, temporarily disable it to see if it's causing the connection issue. VPNs can sometimes interfere with secure connections required by Apple's servers. Method 4. Sign out and sign into your Apple ID account. To refresh your connection and resolve any lingering issues, try signing out and back into your Apple ID. Simply open Settings, tap on your name at the top, and scroll down to sign out. Follow the prompts to confirm. After signing out, restart your device for that extra touch of freshness, then return to Settings and sign back into your Apple ID. This easy yet effective process refreshes your link to Apple's servers, eliminating any temporary glitches and ensuring smooth, uninterrupted access. Method 5. Change your Apple ID password. Launch the Settings application on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top to enter your Apple ID settings. Choose Password and Security. Select Change Password. Follow the prompts on the screen to input your existing password and create a new one. This procedure will assist you in recovering access to your Apple ID and keeping your account secure. Ultimate solution: remove Apple ID from iPhone using Passixer. Passixer is an iOS unlocking software that resets iPhones easily. Its Remove Apple ID feature lets you bypass iCloud passwords and Find My iPhone, making it perfect for secondhand devices. It works with all iOS versions, removes old Apple IDs, and wipes passcodes, even on unresponsive screens. Go to the Passixer website and download the application. Install it on your computer. Launch the Passixer application. In the Passixer interface, select the option to remove Apple ID. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. The software will assist you throughout the process. Ensure that your iPhone remains connected during the whole operation. Passixer will eliminate the Apple ID and reset your iPhone. Once the procedure is finished, your iPhone will reboot and you can set it up as new without requiring the previous Apple ID. If you face any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for additional help. Thanks for checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it.